Hi guys, welcome to Just Math Y'all, and today we are going to look at solving systems of equations using substitution method. Okay, so this is 7-4 in our book, and we've got the substitution method, and we're going to do a couple of examples. And the substitution method is preferred when it says x equals y equals, or it can easily be changed to x equals or y equals. Okay, so that's what we're going to look for first to see if it's in that form, and if it is in that form, then we're going to try to do this method called substitution. So, looking at our first example, we have an x equals. No, we have a y equals. First example, we have a y equals. And you can see that it says y is equal to negative 5x. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a substitution. In the first equation, there is your y. So we're going to substitute. We're going to take this and we're going to put it in there for y. And this is what it's going to look like. We're going to have x plus 3 times something equal negative 28. And in that blank, where the y was, I'm going to put the negative 5x, making a substitution. The second equation says y is negative 5x. Well, in the first equation, I'm going to take the x out and replace it with negative 5x. And then I'm going to solve this. See what happens when I try to solve this. I have x plus negative 15x. That's weird. Don't know why it's doing that. Is equal to negative 28. Alright, so that's going to be a negative 14x is equal to negative 28 when I simplify it. And then I can solve by division, divide both sides by negative 14, and I get x is 2. Now, when we graphed these, remember when we graphed these, our answer was a point. Our answer was an x and a y, and this is our x. So now what we're going to do is figure out our y. Well, it's very clear. It says y is equal to negative 5 times x. Well, x is 2, so y must be negative 10. So my official answer is 2 for the x and negative 10 for the y. And that's substitution. Let's do the next one. The next one, as you see, we have x equals, this time, x is equal to that. So I'm going to take that, that's what x is equal, and I'm going to stick it in the other equation where there's an x. So it's 7 times x plus 9y is equal to 24. And into that expression there, I'm going to put 22 minus 5y, because that's what x is. That's a substitution. I've removed this one and replaced it with something that was equal to. Alright, so let's simplify and see if we can solve this. Oh, wrong way. Let's simplify and see if we can solve this. So 7 times 22, that's going to be 154, minus 7 times 5 is 35y, plus 9y equal 24. Put those two together, just simplifying. Negative 35y plus 9 would be a negative 35 minus 9 is going to be a 26 equals 24. I'm going to subtract 154 on both sides. Negative 26y is equal to negative 130. Divide both sides by negative 26, and I'm going to get y is equal to 5. Okay, y is equal to 5. All right, so well, what about x? I got to have an x answer and a y answer. Well, it tells me right here that x is equal to 22 minus 5 times y. We just calculated y to be 5. We just figured that out. So x is 22 minus 25, which is negative 3. So my answer for the second one is negative 3 and then 5. Now think about that. We found the y first, but when I type in my answer, I have to always put them in the right order. X comes first and then the y. And it's extremely important that you keep your variables straight. We talked about this. Talked about the fact that this was going to happen, that we were going to have to keep our variables straight. So this is 2 examples. We will do a couple more on the next video.